Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once it's paired, we can continue, and now we can, or rather I recommend to install the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with our watch, and you can use it to install applications on your watch. And to install this app, we need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone that is paired with our watch, and then we can open the App Store. I'm gonna use the Google Play Store, but you can use App Store on iPhone as well because it works on both devices. Then we can tap on search and type in Connect IQ and tap on search, and you should see this application on the list, Connect IQ Store by Garmin. Install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open the app, then tap on continue, check the box, tap next, allow the required permissions, and at this point you should see the main page of the store. And here you can browse different categories if you want to look for something you like. I'm just gonna tap on search, then select the apps to narrow my search only to apps, and now I can scroll through the list and look for something I want to install. And let's say I want to install calculator. Tap on it and it will open the info page. Here we have the screenshots, reviews, description, latest version, updated when it was updated the last, the size. Also you can check the list of compatible devices if your Venu is compatible. Let's scroll down. And it is on the list, which means that the app should work on our watch. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install, allow, and it will be queued for the installation. This might take a while because something might be ahead in the queue, like maybe some update or something like that. So I recommend to be patient. But after it's done installing, you will see the pop-up on your watch and also in the app if it's opened. Let's see if it's gonna install anytime soon. It should be. Okay, it is done. And as you can see, we have a pop-up on our watch and also in the app. And once you decide to open the app on your watch, you need to press the upper button to open the menu, then scroll down, and at the bottom of the menu, the icon of the app should appear right here, and you can tap on it to open the application. And that's how you install applications on this watch. You can also check forgot to mention, you can also check the list of applications installed on your watch by tapping on device right here, device icon on the main page of the app, and then tap on my device apps. And here you have the list of applications installed on your watch. Okay, so that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.